Hi everyone, Camila Rinaldi here from NextPit.com, and I have the Lenovo X1 Fold. Yes, that's right, it folds. And we'll talk about it in this video. The device will be released here at IFA 2022. Let's have a look at it. When folded, the Thinkpad X1 Fold looks like a somewhat bulky 12-inch mini notebook. If you open it, the impression quickly changes. The notebook is an entire display from head to toe and sports a total of 16.3 inches in size with a 2K pixel resolution. The Thinkpad X1 Fold has the typical Lenovo workhorse feel, lots of sturdy plastic. The hinge of the foldable notebook looks solid and stays in place at any angle. Thanks to the base, the display can be folded open completely or bent and used in a portrait or landscape format. You can also hold the X1 Fold like a newspaper or place it on the table like a classic notebook and operate it with or without a physical keyboard. The form factor is fun. Not the least thanks to the various split-screen modes available. Although the pre-release version of the device that we tried here was still a bit rough around the edges. Underneath the hood, there's either a 12th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, which work together with the Intel Iris X graphics. In the most affordable configuration, the Thinkpad X1 Fold costs $2,499, but with a more powerful processor, up to 32 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, you can drive the price up even further. The device will be available in the US in November. So, thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye!